Hi, my name is Bob Swan with HD Heavy Duty Concrete Floors, and it's Memorial Weekend 2023. And today we're at a facility in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. It's a waste to energy facility that's managed by Covanta, but they separate out the C and D and process that in a different building, and that's the floor we're working on today. The product we're using is EucoFloor 404, manufactured by the Euclid Chemical Company, and the contractor doing the work is Infrastructure Repair Services out of Lincoln Park, New Jersey. There's a couple of interesting aspects of this repair that I want to cover in a series of videos. So let's go get started. So the total job here in Harrisburg is about 7,100 square feet. You've got this smaller area that's about 1,500 feet, and then this larger area here that's about 6,000 feet. Yesterday on Friday, they did the surface prep and placed the sand and epoxy. And today we're going to place the product. We're getting ready to do that, but I kind of wanted to show you this area up here near the port where the back wall here, because they handle a lot of C and D here, the back wall was pretty well beat up on this port. So they formed it up and used 404 to actually create a new surface there. Because the material is kind of self-consolidating, they were able to do that. I've got other video from yesterday showing how they did that, but that is one interesting aspect of this job where they use the material to reinforce that wall. Because of the high flowability of the material, EucoFloor 404 is an excellent form and pour product. The space that we're filling in here on the back side of the port edge is about 4 inches wide and about 2.5 feet deep. You can see the product flows nicely through the forms down around the rebar and fills up that space nicely. The product hits about 8,500 psi in 24 hours, and so they could strip the forms the next day. We're also using 404 to fill out the port edge in the front. They used to have steel that came up across into the floor, but there was always a concern about the loader bucket catching that steel. So they decided to remove it and replace that area with a continuous sheet of 404 all the way through to the port edge. The product hits about 8,500 psi in 24 hours and 15,000 psi at 28 days. The flooring portion of this job is about 7,100 square feet. The crew took over the floor and did the surface prep on Friday afternoon, and the floor was returned to service Monday morning. Thank you.